Hello, beautiful. It's so great to be here with you today. Supporting your body with a really healthy detoxification program is a game changer. Hi, this is Robin Nielsen, CEO and founder of Natural Hormone Solution. And that's what we're doing right now in our Heal Your Hormones program is we are detoxing for a couple of weeks and we actually eat a lot of food. It is the true elimination diet and it is the gold standard in healing. So we're using food as medicine truly to make some profound change in our bodies. And we do that. One of the biggest ways that we do that is we flood our bodies with a lot of nutrients through this beautiful mineral broth that we make. It's so delicious and so amazing. And we're drinking 3 cups a day. And then we stick to a very specific grocery shopping list, which eliminates a lot of the foods that we may be reactive to. And we're trying to eat enough so that we have good energy and good fiber to support our liver function and our colon and proper elimination. And it's really magnificent. It is truly the gold standard in healing. So if you've never done a detoxification program before, I highly recommend it and make sure it's one that includes a lot of foods, but that eliminates the biggest allergens like dairy and wheat and eggs and soy and the nightshades, which include tomatoes and potatoes and peppers and eggplant. And what are some of the other biggies? Even like pineapple and a lot of citrus fruits. And so we're eliminating kind of some of the major allergenic foods for these 2 weeks. And the changes are profound. I've been doing this program for 20 years, and women have dropped 90 plus total points in their cholesterol over 2 weeks. They have released anywhere from 5 to 12 pounds. And a lot of times that's water weight, which is inflammation, which is amazing, right? You're reducing inflammation in a really short period of time. Mental clarity happens, much better energy, flexibility. Oh my gosh, you can actually touch your toes. So all these great things happen in a really short period of time when you take away things that you might be reacting to and you really flood your body with a lot of nutrients. To really help, right, with digestion and liver function and gallbladder health and all of it. So I invite you to look into doing a really powerful detoxification program for just a short time where you're using food as medicine. Post right here if you've done our program or if you've done one that you like and what you've noticed. All right, sending you so much love. Mwah.